Meaning of hassium.
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 Hassium. Hassium is a synthetic chemical element with the symbol Hs and atomic number 108. It is named after the German state of Hesse, where it was first synthesized. Hassium is highly unstable and has an extremely short half-life, making it difficult to study its chemical and physical properties. It is believed to be a member of the group 8 elements in the periodic table, which includes iron, ruthenium, and osmium. Hassium's potential uses are limited due to its extreme rarity and instability. It has no known biological role and poses potential health hazards due to its radioactivity.